Okay, here's what I'm doing. I'm doing some fucking buttermilk biscuits, and if y'all can't keep up, screw you. These are so simple, they're easy to do. Now, you have to have one of these. Squeeze in our food processor. If you don't, well, you have to do it by hand, but just follow my shit. Take the lid off, and you need 4 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, not self-rising, whatever, blah, 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 just all-purpose flour. Make sure it's measured exactly. Pour it in there. Then, you need 2 tablespoons of, where's my shit? My notes. Goddamn production team don't have my shit ready. 2 tablespoons baking powder. Whoop. See, there it goes. All right. Half teaspoon baking soda. And bam goes the baking soda. And what the hell is this? Oh, kosher salt. 2 teaspoons.
Why does it have to be kosher?
Huh?
Why does it have to be kosher?
Because it does. Trust me, it makes a difference. If you use table salt, it won't have the same texture and it won't have the same flavor. But if you don't have kosher salt, you can use table salt and be one of those poor bitches, you know, down in the hood or whatever.
Okay.
And then you need 12. I mean, I know this would give even, what's her name? The fat bitch from Georgia.
Paula Deen.
Paula Deen, yes. This would even give Paula Deen a heart attack for 1 batch of biscuits. You need a stick and a half of butter. And you need to cut it up in chunks, little tiny chunks, and put it in the freezer. Which I have here. See? And then you try to pry it out of the bowl. There we go. Jiggle the machine so you get all the flour off the top of the blade there. Put the top on. Now, I feel real sorry for you if you don't have one of these because the work's going to be a lot harder because you have to do it by hand. So you just hit pulse. Give it a shake. Pulse, 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 pulse. Okay. Now, the butter is cut up and the flour looks like kind of like cornmeal. You're done. And, well, try if you're strong enough to get this damn thing off the base. Right, there we go. See? Move this shit out of the way. And just wipe all the excess on the floor like I just did. And you get a bowl. Big bowl, like this. See? Giant bowl, and you get a spoon. Pour this all into there. Make sure you take the blade out because you want to bite the fat. Alright. Now, we need 2 cups of buttermilk, which is kept in the refrigerator. All ingredients have to be kept ice cold, because otherwise it won't come out right. 2 cups of buttermilk. Now, if you don't have buttermilk, you can take the same amount of milk, whole milk. Don't use 2% or 1% or whatever. Use whole milk. Take a couple tablespoons of either vinegar or fresh lemon juice, put it in there, stir it around, let it sit for 5 minutes, and you'll have buttermilk.
Can you use organic?
Better with, so. And then you just sit here and stir.
Now, can you use organic milk instead of whole milk?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Haven't tried it. You can try it. But usually organic milk is kind of like equal to like 2% or skim milk. So I don't think the texture will be. Keep on stirring and all that other good stuff. Okay, we're done. And now the dough will be very sticky. It's supposed to be that way. And you don't stir it to death. You just stir it until it's all mixed. And now we're going to take a commercial break, and I'll get back to rolling it out and all that other crap and blah, blah, blah.
And now a word from our sponsors.
And besides, I need a cigarette, and fuck y'all, bitch.